So every year we have something. I think again Loratin. So Ichiaka Tiki the NUMA award list. So the nomination list ma Jomagirika PM. Let me use the word. So Kanwa Tiki, the categories are producer of the year, we have influencer of the year, we have promoter of the year, we have radio personality, we have DJ of the year, we have MC of the year, we have comedian of the year, we have street song artist of the year. Oh, okay, that's where the problem is. Then we have most consistent artist, and then we have breakthrough, we have new artist. So I don't understand the difference between new artist and breakthrough. Like, it's quite confusing there. And then we have gospel song of the year, and then we have young talent of the year. Then we have R&B song of the year. Then we have hip hop artist of the year, and then we have rumba artist of the year. This is just a new category. I think this came out because of Mixola. Then we have dancer song of the year. I think those are the categories. So let me go back to producer of the year. Well, with producers, like, this is something people don't understand. Producers are not supposed to be nominated. Producers, song of the year belongs to the producer. I don't know if you people get that. Like, oh, sorry for the kids making a lot of noise. So, the producer for the song of the year wins. Okay, that's how it's supposed to be. Because, like, how? Okay, let's say here that let's say Giddy Beats wins, and then the best song of the year is produced by Sivo. I don't know if you get the point. So it won't make sound. I mean, like, it won't really make sense if song of the year has a different producer winning. You know, like, the same producer for song of the year is the one that wins. So it's not supposed to. It's automatic. That is something NUMA should put on their table and they should really, really work on. And then when it goes to this is influencer of the year. Not that one. Nah, that one. I don't have anything to talk about. Promoter of the year, no. Radio personality, no. DJ Kazo, Frisco, Obama, Val, Brian Pro. I'm not seeing a lot of DJs here. I don't know why. Maybe they just didn't want to get nominated, but that's okay. I'm not going to talk about it. MC of the year, we have MC Gisu. I don't know about that. MC Slender Boy, I don't know. MC Mercy, yeah, I know that one. MC Everdy. Everdy, who is Everdy? I think I know him. MC Triple. So I think I only know two people, Mercy and Everdy, I think. Oh, all right. So I'm not going to talk much about that. Comedian of the year, Odongo Stress. Odongo Stress Killer. That guy is a TikToker. That guy is not a comedian. That's something people. Oh, Jesus Christ. Odongo Stress Killer is not a comedian. He's just a TikToker. Like, that's it's so embarrassing. Make it to Odongo Stress Killer. He can MCs. He can comedians. Makani. Anyway, I don't know much about this. Young Emma, Adjuagalao, Kelvin Klein. No, I don't know these people. So Odongo is okay because that's the only person I know. But he doesn't deserve to be there. He's just a TikToker. Then street song. This is where the problem is. Street song artist of the year. Now, you see, the problem is, no matter what, look categories, mano gamble, like gambling, make look categories. Okay, they should stick to the old things. Like, they shouldn't be changing. They should bring in something that really makes sense, because like this is something that doesn't really make sense. Like, street song artist of the year. To me, that just doesn't make sense. I'm saying Kamuzu, Doggy Kiss, Bossman Taliban, Zetiv, Cassid Puma. Okay, these guys are friends, okay? And they do their music together, so it's not good to... Okay, no, it's good to put them together. But street songs of the... That category doesn't make sense. These guys do dancehall. So I expected these guys to be under dancehall. These are really powerful guys when it comes to dancehall. And then, on the other side, I don't know when these guys came to music. But trust me, Kamuzu, Dogi Keys, Zetiv, these guys, I think for me, these are like the breakthrough artists. I don't know if they started before last year or just this year, but if they started this year properly, then one of them should win breakthrough. And they also should take dancehall song of the year. One of them should. Okay, everybody, like Magiti. Okay, let me first go back to that category, and then most consistent artist. Okay, most consistent artist Makain. Let me start with Foxy Boy. Boy King, Pretty Big, Mixola, Polite, Moscow, Lucky David, Lil Square. The only two people who deserve this character, this category. Only Polite Moscow and Lucky David. Then Boy King. Boy King has been trying, yeah. So most consistent. They should have put Laxi here. They should have put Blamo here. They should have put like all these artists. They deserve this category for most consistent. Pato Loverboy goes here. Eddie Wizzy goes here. Easy goes here. Laxi goes here. Blamo goes here. Every artist that never faded, and they're still doing it. It's supposed to be on this category. So I don't know why it's like that, but anyway. Breakthrough artist of the year, and then new artist. That is like the most confusing thing about it is breakthrough and then new artist. That is one thing. You're just wasting your time. This is one thing. So breakthrough artists. Oh, Kamozo, yeah. There you go. But I'm not saying Doggy Kiss. Doggy Kiss is supposed to be here. Dix the Rapper, Big Marsh, Rap Coin. Rap Coin? Rap Coin! Rap Coin has been there. Jesus, what the hell is going on here? Ricky Bad, yeah, I agree. Ricky Bad deserves it as well. Rap Coin? Breakthrough artist? Hell no, that's not right. Then new artist of the year. Conspiano, yeah. Yeah, Conspiano, yeah, you deserve that. Willow, well, I don't know that one. Big Mosh, yeah, new artist. Big Mosh has been there. They should have put Big Mosh among breakthrough if that's the category. Then Akisa should be among breakthrough artists. Ojane, Timmy G, yeah, those are new artists. So gospel, I don't want to talk about because I don't know much about them. Young talent of the year, Loli Music, Anyaka King Gang, GMS, Spy Kids, Fresh Boy, and the First Boy. Oh, that's okay. R&B song of the year, Mame Junior by Bru. What about? I'm not seeing Clex B. I was expecting Clex B, Akisa, Bravo Rex. I don't know if I know the person. Ricky Bad, yes, that one you deserve it. Yeah, I think those are the guys. That one they deserve it. And then hip hop artist, yeah, that's the most interesting part of it. Now I'm seeing here, Tim Sense is nominated 2 times for the same song. So I don't understand what's happening. I'm seeing Tim Sense is the first one, then Tim Sense is the last one in the list, as you can see here. Like Tim Sense, like, is nominated 2 times on Hip Hop Artist of the Year. So, oh yeah, this one, I don't know most of the artists here, but that's okay. I'm pretty sure you can tell he's gonna win. Sorry, but that's the truth. So the thing is, you pay what, but it's anything to do with musicians. Because you can't satisfy everybody. La way taking mirror and mirror. La way taking nerma and nana kere. So at some point, satisfying the entire world. So let's just keep talking until their word improves. I believe at some point, it will improve. So let's give it time. Doggy Kiss, Kamuzu, Taliban, and the rest of the guys. Those guys, they deserve something. They deserve something. Yes, it is street music. They made it out of street without music. I mean without the radios. Those guys, they deserve something. I don't know what you will do about them as as NUMA, but something has to be done for those boys. They made it. Trust me. Those guys, they deserve it.